Good morning student, myself Raj Srivastav. Today I will teach you polynomials. Okay, so first thing, what are polynomials? See, polynomial, an algebraic expression in which the exponent of variables must be a whole number is called polynomial. We will represent polynomial by px, qx, rx, py. You can say if you are taking variable as y, then you will write py. Okay. So suppose we have a polynomial px is equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube plus up to an x to the power n. Now children, see here. Here I have written exponent of the variables must be a whole number. So it means here suppose a0, a1, a2, a3, an, these are constant numbers, okay, and x is variable, and you can see here power of that variable is whole number. Means आप यहाँ पे जो वेरिएबल है ये होल नंबर के अलावा कुछ नहीं ले सकते हैं. सो फॉर द पॉलिनोमियल इट इज मस्ट that exponent of the variable must be a whole number. And children, here a0, a1x, a2x square, anx to the power n are called terms. Means these are different terms. Here you have a plus sign, plus sign, plus sign. Means if signs are there, then sign change the terms. Means these are different terms. Okay, and if an is not equal to 0, then n is called degree of polynomial. See here, this is highest power of variable. So highest power of variable is called degree of the polynomial. So that's why I have written here an should not equal to 0. If an is not equal to 0, then x to the power n means n will be degree of this polynomial. And children, a0, a1, a2, a3, an are coefficient of px. Means suppose I am asking what is the coefficient of x square, then you will tell a2. What is the coefficient of x cube, then you will tell a3. Means whatever is written with that variable, that is the coefficient of that x cube or x square, whatever is given. Okay. If all the coefficients are 0, then px is called 0 polynomial. And the degree of 0 polynomial is not defined. You can write 0 polynomial as px is equal to 0. Children, it is very important question ki what is the degree of 0 polynomial? So degree of 0 polynomial is not defined. Okay. Children, now we will understand polynomials with some example. Suppose I am taking px is equal to x cube plus 3x square minus 5x. Now it is polynomial or not? How you can check? I have told you if the power, or you can say exponent of variable is whole number, then it will be polynomial. Now see here, पावर ऑफ ऑल वेरिएबल्स इज होल नंबर. जैसे यहाँ पे क्या है x to the power 3, x to the power 2, 5x means here we have power as 1. So these are whole numbers. So that's why this is polynomial. Suppose I am writing px is equal to x to the power 4 minus 3x to the power 3 upon 2 minus 5x plus 4. Now, is it polynomial or not? Children, see here variable of power of this variable is not a whole number. This is fraction number. So this is not a whole number. So px is equal to x to the power 4 minus 3x to the power 3 by 2 minus 5x plus 4 is not a polynomial. Why it is not the polynomial? Because power of this variable is not a whole number. One more example I am taking. Suppose you have px is equal to x square plus 3x plus 4 whole upon x. Now what we can say about this? Children, see, you will write x square upon x plus 3x upon x plus 4 upon x. We can write like this. Now we will simplify this polynomial. So x square upon x means you can write here x, and here x cancel, you can write here 3, and this 4 upon x. So you have to remove this x from the denominator. You will take it in numerator, then you will write 4x to the power minus 1. Now children, see here power of variable is negative number. So negative number means this is not a whole number. So you can say power of variable is not a whole number. That's why this is not a polynomial. Understood? And if we will say ki how many terms are there, so what you will say, see 1 2 3, in this polynomial we have 3 terms, okay, and highest power is called degree of the polynomial. Means if you have a x cube plus 3x square minus 5x, then degree of this polynomial will be what? 3. Okay, and these two are not the polynomial, so we can't say. Children, now we will discuss about the types of polynomials. So first is zero polynomial, that I have told also. If all coefficient of a polynomial is 0, then it is called zero polynomial. We will write it px is equal to 0. Now all terms are 0, means px is equal to 0. This is zero polynomial. And beta, degree of zero polynomial is not defined. Okay. Second is constant polynomial. So what is constant polynomial? If the degree of a polynomial is 0, then it is called constant polynomial. Let us see with an example. Suppose we have a one polynomial px is equal to 3. Now children, see here we have a 3. So for the 3 you can write 3 into x to the power 0. X to the power 0 means what? 3 into 1, because x to the power 0 means 1. किसी की भी और अगर 0 है तो उसका मतलब 1 होता है. So 3 into 1 means 3. So it means you can write px is equal to 3 as px is equal to 3 into x to the power 0. Now 0, here you have a power 0 and we have a only single term. So it means degree of this polynomial will be 0. Okay, so you can say degree of constant polynomial will be 0. And next one is linear polynomial. So what is linear polynomial? A polynomial of degree 1 is called linear polynomial. We have a px is equal to ax plus b. This is the standard form of linear polynomial. Here px is equal to ax plus b. Now see, it is linear polynomial if a is not equal to 0. If you will put a is equal to 0, then what you will get? Here you will get 0 into x plus b, means px is equal to v will come, so that will be constant polynomial. तो आप यहाँ पे a को 0 नहीं रख सकते. So you can say px is equal to 3x plus 4, means here x should be there. Okay, and degree of x will be 1, means highest power of variable is 1, then it is called linear polynomial. Children, see now what is quadratic polynomial? A polynomial with degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. It is of the form ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b and c are real numbers and a should not equal to 0. Okay, and after that we have a cubic polynomial. So what is cubic polynomial? A polynomial of degree 3 is called cubic polynomial. It is of the form ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a, b, c and d are real numbers and a should not equal to 0. And after that one more, biquadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 4 is called biquadratic polynomial. Now we will see these polynomials with some example. So let us see. Children, here I have written some polynomials. Now we will discuss कि given polynomials are quadratic polynomial, linear, cubic or constant polynomial. So how we can see? Let's see. First one is 3x square minus 4x plus 2. Now children, see, highest power of variable is 2. Okay, highest power of variable is 2. So that's why you can say degree of this polynomial is 2. So that's why this is quadratic polynomial. Okay, this is quadratic polynomial because degree is 2. Highest power is called its degree and degree is 2. Therefore this is quadratic polynomial. Now see, in second we have 5x cube minus 4x square plus 5. Now degree of this polynomial is 3. Degree of this polynomial means highest power. तो आप देखिए highest power is 3. So if highest power is 3 means degree is 3. So it will be cubic polynomial. Okay, so this is cubic polynomial. Now here in third example 5x plus 4. So what is the degree of this polynomial, children? Here no power on variable means you can say here power is 1. So degree of this polynomial is 1. So you can say this is linear polynomial. This is linear polynomial. And now here only 3. So what is 3? 3 is constant. Okay, so if no variable is there, then you can say this is constant polynomial. So this is constant polynomial and degree of constant polynomial is 0. Okay, remember this. Next one is 0. So 0 means this is 0 polynomial. This is 0 polynomial. Okay, and last one 2x square minus 3x cube plus 4x plus 5. Children, it is not written in standard form. Standard form means it should be in decreasing order of means power of variables. But here see 2x square minus 3x cube plus 4x plus 4. But here we have to find which type of polynomial is this. So see, highest power is 3. Okay, highest power is 3 means degree of this polynomial is 3. Therefore this is cubic polynomial. Okay, so this is cubic polynomial. Children, now see, we will discuss some polynomials about the given terms. Okay, regarding terms, how many terms are there? So we have some more polynomials. First one is monomial. A polynomial having one term is called monomial. Means if any polynomial is there which have only single term, then it is called monomial. Example 3x, 3x cube, 5x to the power 100, x to the power 200. These are monomials. Means there should be only one term. Okay. Second is binomial. A polynomial having two terms is called a binomial. Okay, example 2x square minus 3x. See here we have a two terms. So that's why this is binomial. X to the power 100 minus 5x to the power 50. Again we have a two terms. So that's why this is binomial. X square minus 5. Again two terms. So this is binomial. And third one is trinomial. So a polynomial having three terms is called a trinomial. Example x square minus 3x plus 3. Children, see here we have a three terms. So that's why this is trinomial. Again here we have a three terms. So that's why this is trinomial.